You can add images to almost anywhere in Moodle. For instance, you may want to add a banner image to help students identify the start of a new week or topic. To do so, first turn editing on by clicking the button in the top right of our course page. To edit the heading for a week, click on the three dots, then Edit Settings. Next, click the image icon, then the arrow, and open your image file. You'll get a prompt to enter alt text and change the image size. We can enter a description for anyone who may be unable to see the image, but if it is just decorative or has redundant text, we can click the checkbox next to "This image is decorative only," so a screen reader might skip the image. Next, we can alter the size of the image by clicking Custom Size. Avoid making these numbers bigger as you may stretch your image and degrade the quality, but you can definitely make it smaller by decreasing either the length or width. The Keep Proportions box should remain checked so we do not distort the image. When finished, click Save. You can change the alignment to right or centered if needed. Now, click Save Changes to see our image displayed. If you'd like to see it within the main course page, click back on your course name in the upper left area of your screen. If you need further assistance in implementing images into your course, please reach out to the Office of Online and Distance Learning. Thanks for watching.